What is going on, guys? Teammates Bev22 here. Today, I'm here with a part 5 to my Unreal Engine 4 first-person shooter tutorial series. So today, I'm going to show you how to create an enemy AI that will chase us, and then when we shoot it, it will die. And before I start with the tutorial, I just want to say that I changed the position of the gun so it's a bit more realistic. Okay, now what you want to do is click Add New, Feature or Content Pack, and then select the third person and add to project. Now, you should have these two folders, third person BP and third person. So open third person BP, then open the blueprints. You should have your third person character inside. Inside here is all of the code for the third person character, but we don't need this because we don't want to control the character. So then we hit delete, compile and save. Now in the viewport you can get rid of the follow camera and the camera boom. So now if you click add component and then type in pawn sensing, and you click on that, all of these weird circles and lines will come up. And you don't really need to look about like what these are unless you want to make a more advanced AI. I'm just making a basic one, so we'll only need the peripheral vision. With the slider, you can make his view smaller or bigger, and we're just going to set it to something like 44 or 45 because that's a pretty realistic sight range. So then you can hit compile and save now. Then when you go to pawn sensing, you can click on see pawn and then go to the event graph and then drag off of pawn and type in first person character. So now we have this. You're going to type in AI move to, and then the pawn will be self, and then first person character will be the target actor. So now, as you can see, when we drag in our character, or our AI, we come around to him, he's not chasing us. And the reason is because we haven't set up where he can and cannot go. So, go into volumes and type in nav mesh bounds volume. Then drag that in. Then you can scale this way, and then up and down if you want to, but I'm just going to keep it its normal height. So now when we come around into his sight range, he'll start chasing us. As you can see, he chases us until he gets to the edge and then he can't go any farther. So now we need to make it so we can kill him, because right now when we shoot him, he's not dying. So what we need to do is go into the viewport and then add a component and call it a capsule component or capsule collision, and we're just going to scale this so then it's about the same size as the character here, like this. So then this will be like, if we hit this, this is how it kills him. Like, we don't want to be able to shoot him up here and he dies. So we're just going to scale that until it's the right size. We can move it down a little bit. So now if we go into our collision presets, overlap all is fine, and go into event graph and then on component hit. The other actor will be the first person projectile here. We can put that in. Then we're going to say set simulate physics. So now if we click simulate, when we shoot him, he falls through the floor. And the reason is because we haven't set his ragdoll component yet, so then if you click on the mesh and go to collision presets, set it to ragdoll, and hit compile and save. So now, when we shoot him, he falls over. And then now he can chase us, then we shoot him, and then he dies. But the thing is, watch what happens here. If I have him chasing me, I shoot him, I can't go forwards now because his capsule component is still chasing after me. So what I need to do is set it so he can't move. So we're going to destroy each component that we don't want. So destroy component. We don't want the capsule. We don't want the capsule component. When we hit play and have him chase us, we shoot. Now the capsule components disappear. We can shoot him, and the capsule components disappear, so then it won't like hurt us after he dies. So thank you guys for watching this video. In the next tutorial, I'll show how to give him health. So thank you guys for watching. Team AceBev22 out.